Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fruit salad business. First, thoroughly research your local market to understand demand and competition. Next, create a comprehensive business plan, including a realistic budget for startup costs and ongoing expenses. Finally, ensure you obtain all required permits and licenses from your local health department and business authorities before you begin operations. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth launch. Once your foundation is set, focus on sourcing the best ingredients. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers to get fresh, high-quality fruits consistently. Adhere to strict food safety and hygiene protocols in your preparation area to ensure product safety. Develop efficient fruit cutting and portioning techniques to maximize yield and maintain consistent product quality. This ensures your fruit salads are always delicious and safe. With your delicious fruit salads ready, it's time to market them effectively. Design appealing branding and packaging that stands out and attracts customers. Leverage social media platforms and participate in local events or farmers markets to promote your products. Strategically price your fruit salads to be competitive while offering attractive deals like a 10% discount for first-time buyers to draw in new customers. To grow your fruit salad business, explore expansion opportunities such as offering catering services for events or introducing a weekly subscription model. Continuously gather customer feedback to refine your offerings and ensure customer satisfaction. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals that can help with your meal prep. Expanding your reach and maintaining quality will drive long-term success and profitability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.